Look, this. I blew one little puff and it really lit up.
What? Really lit up?
That is amazing.
It is super mega ultra amazing. Can wind really make electricity?
Let's test it out. Hi everyone, I'm Easy.
Hi everyone, I'm Xiao and welcome to YX Kids Lab.
Today we're making a wind generator.
Science is so much fun, so come build with us.
So how exactly do we build it?
First, watch me put it together. Come and build it with me. It's all done.
Wow, that looks great. Can this really light up?
Let's try it right now.
Alright, I'll test it now. It really lit up. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1.
It's on. It really lit up.
If I blow hard enough, the light turns on.
We did it.
So wind really can make electricity. Then what happens if we blow from the side or from the back?
Let's try it together.
Okay, I'll go first. It looks like I made it spin the other way. When I blow straight into the middle, it doesn't light up. And when I blow from underneath, it doesn't light up either. Then will it light up if I blow from the top? I'll test that. This is kind of tricky.
This little eddy has a positive side and a negative side. So when we blow from behind the blades, it is not easy to light it up.
Let me try. The best way to know is to test it.
It lit up.
It looks like it lit up, but only a tiny bit. So that means it is pretty hard to light this way. When we blow from the front, it gets much brighter.
Wind generator challenge complete.
Do you like science toys that spin and light up?
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and tap the little bell.
We'll make more fun science toys too.
That's it for our wind generator today.
Thanks for experimenting with us and see you next time. Bye!